So, are you tired of manually replying to all of the repetitive queries sent by your patients? Here in this video, I'm going to show you how I have automated the entire process of sending the WhatsApp messages to all the queries sent by my customers. So, with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I have created an AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot, and whenever I receive a new query from my patient, automatically a reply is sent based on the query which they have sent to me. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, I'm going to demonstrate in front of you how I have created this AI agent and automated all my WhatsApp conversation for my hospital. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send this message. You will see in no time I'm going to receive the response. So I have sent this message. What are your hospital OPD timings? Now here let's wait for the response, and it says the OPD at City Healthcare Hospital open from Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Emergency care is available 24/7. If you need help booking an appointment or have any other question, feel free to ask. So I'm going to enter the message like, book the appointment for me please. So I'll send this message. So here I've received this message. I'm here to guide you, but I'm unable to book the appointment directly myself. So I have provided 3 methods. They can book the appointment using the website link which I have provided. So I've added a dummy link. Then I've provided the WhatsApp number, and then I've also provided the phone number. Next, I'm going to ask the question like, what is the consultation fee for a general physician? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it says the consultation fee for general physician at City Healthcare Hospital is rupees 500 per consultation. Next, I'm going to write the question. Can I request an ICU equipped ambulance? I'm going to send this message, and let's wait for the reply. So here you see I am asking the question and it is automatically replying to all my queries. And this is happening because of the knowledge base which I have uploaded and trained my AI agent to reply like this. And then I have received this message also. Yes, you can request an ICU equipped ambulance from City Healthcare Hospital. Advanced ICU ambulance are available on request. To arrange the service, please call the hospital's ambulance helpline, and I've provided the phone number. Now here I'm asking a general question. How can I report adverse drug reaction? I'm going to send this message. And here it is. We have received this message. If you experience any adverse drug reaction, you should stop taking the medicine, contact the hospital, maintain a record. Emergency care is available. If you need any help or guidance, please let me know. So you see that we have asked so many questions and we have automatically received all the response. So this is how my AI agent is working, and I have created this AI agent or trained this AI agent in such a manner. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent and automate all our WhatsApp conversation for our hospital. And for this, we are simply going to create an AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. Now, after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. We can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now, if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp Number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can also use a manual token. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can do this, then please check out the link given in the description. Now, on the left-hand side, where you can see all these options, we have the these features in our Pabbly Chatflow: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. So we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features, the link to which is available in the description, and you can check this out. Now we are going to create an AI agent, and to do this, we are going to click on this AI assistant. So let's open this. Here we have landed towards this page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. So these two AI assistants are active on some chat. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant and name this. So I'm going to name this as AI agent for my hospital. And now I'm going to click on this add AI assistant. Here I have landed towards this page, and from here we are going to start creating this AI agent. First we have this AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface, and the styling. Let's go back towards this AI instruction and first select our AI instruction type as AI agent. As soon as I select this type, the instructions are already added. Now you can add and update this instruction according to your choice, preference, and requirement. I'm going to keep it as same only. If I scroll down, I have this AI configuration. Under this, we have this first as temperature. It is written, set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of AI replying to our conversation will improve. I'll keep it as 0.7, and then the AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-4o Mini, and then I'm going to enter this API key. Now to get this API key, in the help desk, I am provided a hyperlink which I'm going to open, and I will be landed towards the API keys page. To create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key name is testing. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already created my API key. I'm going to add that same API key. After adding that API key, please make sure that you click on this connect, and here OpenAI key saved successfully. Now if I scroll down, I have this AI assistant setting. To put a header message, you have to toggle on this button, enter the header message, and same goes for this footer message. When you write the message, it will start appearing to your header messages and the footer messages. I'm going to toggle this off. I do not require this. In the stop keyword, you can enter the keywords which you want, that whenever a patient or a customer enter, the AI stops replying. So it is written enter keyword that user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. I'm going to write stop and click enter, and in this manner we can add the keywords. So I'm going to keep it as one only. You can add multiple keywords, and then we have this retry attempt. So when your AI assistant or AI agent fails to reply, you can increase or decrease the fallback messages. So it is written specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant failed to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 1. You can increase and decrease according to your choice and preference. I'm going to toggle this off. I do not require this. In this fallback message, now this fallback message will be sent when your AI agent is not responding or your API key is not responding. So this fallback message will be sent, and I have entered the fallback message as I'm here to assist with the questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. What you can also do, you can add the company details so that when the messages are not able to send, the customer or the patient directly contacts your company. You can add your phone number or the email address or the website or something like that. So I'm going to keep the fallback message for now as this only. Let's move towards this knowledge source. Now we are done with adding all the AI instruction. In this knowledge source, I want to upload the file. Now this knowledge source option is a very important, and based on this knowledge source or a knowledge base which we are going to upload, my AI agent is going to get trained and reply to my customers. So I'm going to click on this cloud, and over here I have already created the knowledge base which I'm going to open, and in this way I have uploaded this knowledge base, and here it is, file uploaded and proceeded successfully. So I have uploaded this knowledge base. I'm going to open this knowledge base. I'm going to show you how it is going to work. So I have already downloaded this. So this is the knowledge base. which I have uploaded. City healthcare knowledge base, general information. So I have added few questions, then appointment and booking procedure. Then I have added few questions like how can I cancel or reschedule my booking. Then I have added the doctors and their availability, the name of the doctors, the timing, the days they are available, and then I have added some frequently asked questions. I have added the fees and the payment, then the diagnostics and lab test. Then I have added do you provide sample collection. Then again I have added some frequently asked questions. I have added about medicines and pharmacy. I have added about insurance and billing, then the admission and discharge, emergency and ambulance, surgeries and procedures. Then again some frequently asked questions, common patient concerns and FAQs, medicinal and drug information. So here I have added all the details. Like sometimes we ask the common questions. I have added all the common questions related to medicines in this, and then I have added this optional quick chatbot response. So you can see this. So I have created a detailed knowledge base. You can create a more detailed knowledge base, add all the hospital details, add all your doctors and their information and the rest of the details to this knowledge base and upload this knowledge base to your AI agent. And based on the knowledge base which you are going to upload, your AI agent is going to reply to your customers or the patients. You can also update this knowledge base and keep uploading to that AI agent. Let's go back towards this AI agent. Moving on towards the next option we have is assistant interface. So I'm going to write the name or the display heading as, so I'm going to enter the heading display like city healthcare. And then if you want to keep this display subheading, you can do that. If you want to remove, you can do that. I'm going to keep it as it is. Then we have this initial message. So enter each message in a chat bubble. You can add only 2 initial message. I'm going to keep it as 1 only. Hi there, how can I help you today? So if I received a message, these initial message will be sent from my AI agent. You can add 2 initial messages. I'm going to keep it as 1 only. Then this display the powered by Pabbly, I'm going to keep it as enable. If you disable this, it will be removed from here. So I'm going to keep it enabled. Then we have this footer text. I have entered the privacy policy and the link to the privacy policy, and you can see it is here. Then the user first message. So here it is written I need help. This message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from user. It is not necessary that only this message is sent. Any message sent by the user will trigger this AI agent and it will start replying. So moving on towards the next step, we have the styling. So over here, I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also. I'm going to keep it as light only. We have this assistant shape. You can see it is circle, square and rounded square. You can see this changing over here. Then we have this assistant background color. You can change this according to your choice and preference and it will change here. I'm going to keep it the same only. Then we have this text color, button color, chat bubble color, footer text color, and then the rest of the colors you can change this according to your choice and preference. We have this header profile picture. You can upload in a very similar manner like we have uploaded the knowledge base. Simply click on this cloud and select that picture and upload that over here. Same goes for this assistant profile picture. If you want to change this background picture, you can do that. You can click on this remove file and upload a new picture. Then we are done creating this AI agent. Now it is very important that you toggle on this button. If you do not toggle this on, this AI agent will remain inactive. So we have to keep it active and then we have to save this. So here you will see AI assistant saved successfully. Now you can also embed this AI assistant to your website simply by clicking on this embed and use this code and embed this to your website. We also have the start chat. The patient will be redirected towards this chat and they can also scan this QR to chat on WhatsApp and they will be redirected towards this chat. Now we are done creating this AI agent. What if I want to activate this AI agent to a particular chat only? So for that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we are going to open this inbox first. So here this was my chat. Now to enable the AI agent to a particular chat, what you have to do, you have to click on this choose AI assistant, toggle on this button and then select the AI assistant. I'm going to select as AI agent for my hospital and then save this. You will see AI assistant enabled successfully. Now this AI assistant is enabled to this particular chat only, but doing this manually and to separate chats is a very time consuming task and also very illogical. So what we are going to do, we are going to activate activate this particular AI agent to all the chats which we require in just one click. For that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we are going to go towards the settings and then click on this inbox settings. We have landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, you can see this enable AI auto replies. First, I'm going to disable this. And here AI auto reply disabled for all chats. Now I'm going to enable this. And then if I scroll down, you can see that I have created a list and then I have this all contacts. You can create a particular list and enable that particular AI assistant to that particular list, or you can enable the AI assistant to all of the contacts. How you can do this? So I have created this list. I'm going to select the list and then I can select the AI assistant like this one. Then what I can do, I want to enable some AI assistant to all of my contacts. So I'm going to select all the contacts and then select that particular AI assistant. I'm simply going to save this. In a similar manner, you can add more rules. So inbox settings saved successfully. Now this AI agent is active on all of my contacts. Now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and test this for the one last time. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and send a message like. So I'm going to send this message, how long does the ambulance take to arrive? Let's wait for the reply and check whether this AI agent is active on my chat or not, whether it is sending me the messages or not. And here I received this message. The ambulance usually takes about 20-30 minutes to arrive within city limits. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask. So now I'm going to ask the final question. Is there a pharmacy inside the hospital? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So my AI agent is working. It is replying to all my conversation, and here I have received this message also. Yes, there is a pharmacy inside the hospital and it is open 24/7. If you have any other question, feel free to ask. So here my AI agent is replying to all my questions and the queries, and it is working very fine. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. So thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.